Okay, so here's the first setup at a actual campground. It's very windy, as you can see. What's the thing called that goes underneath?
The tent pad?
The tent pad. We bought the tent pad that came with better stakes, apparently.
Yeah.
And the rain fly kind of buckles on, or clips on, I guess. This is what it looks like. All set up. This is the T8. So far, we just have the kids' air mattress blown up. Queen size air mattress blown up. Working on the other one. We happen to have electricity for this one. So we're gonna blow up the air mattresses pretty easy here. Still even have our paper from the tent in here. Okay, all set up. Ours is taller, theirs is shorter over there. That's what it looks like from right inside.
Lots of storage.
Where?
I got my jacket.
Oh.
Here.
Oh, I see.
Storage everywhere. 3 pockets on the side going down this way.
So he says there's a master side
Yeah, I think that's the master.
because it's got more storage. So I gave that to the kids on accident. Didn't know.